Right.
Who knows?
Well, Michael, your point is a really good one because also, as we both know from the history of the immigration law, the way that they set up the regulations oftentimes is after the bill comes out, of course, then the administrative agency promulgates regulations and gives the public about a 30 to 60 day, there's a rulemaking period where the public is allowed to comment on those rules. And one of the things that you remember, like I do, is that they discuss pipeline cases, which is that you can't treat the cases that are already filed in a way that might be different. You don't just cut them off. So pipeline cases are dealt with, and then what they do is they look to the statute as to what's supposed to be done on a going forward basis. So your point is very well taken, is that people who
but more than that, David, they have to print the forms, they have to hire thousands of people, officers,
new officers.
They have to get new offices.
That's right.
All that's going to take some time.
Of course.
Bill, listen, it's not like the 1986 amnesty bill. Only amnesty illegal aliens. There was nothing there. There's nothing about changing the family preference categories. There was nothing about employment. This bill is so extensive because a lot of holes took place in between. Also, things went bad. They changed this, they changed that in the wrong way. Other way around, so that the brother or sister of a citizen is now 12 years, 14 years, son and daughter stays 8 years, 9 years. What is the point? The whole focus is they're creating that the family unification, trying to maintain as much as cleanup as possible. Right. In the long run, they want to reduce the family and increase the employment and skill people.
Right.
So I would say that David and me, we are writing a book. We were writing a book. It was going to the publisher. We said, stop, hold it. Let's get this new bill, this book here. This book we're going to read, study, and make a new book, simple book that will come out, the latest 2013 edition, very soon by end of the year. And then you can read that and get a better guidance.
Right. Well, and so I don't mean to take a step. I'd like to just take a quick step backwards, Michael, to go back to H-1Bs because I know that's on a lot of people's minds. It's very important. Right now, as everyone knows, the premium process cases are being reported out. If you premium processed your case, you're getting receipts, possibly RFEs at this point. We have a tremendous number of approvals, which we were very, very happy to be able to deliver to our clients. That was great. For those of you who did not premium process, I just want to remind you, of course, that if you didn't premium process your case, you will possibly be getting receipts. They're not in any rush to be issuing those receipts. However, they're saying that you possibly could get them sometime in May or even June, and even beyond that. But when you get those receipts, you will have the opportunity to go ahead and premium process your case. You can't premium process your case until those receipts have been issued. So I just want to make everyone aware of that. Also, be aware, think about your backup plan. It's very, very important to remember that if your H-1B doesn't come through, what are you going to do? Are you going back to school? Are you going to possibly look at another visa classification? We're receiving a tremendous number of calls about other options that are available, and we're helping our clients to work their way through the backup plan. Know what your plan B is. So that's enough on H-1B. So yes, sure,
of course. If you did not make H-1 and you have a problem, here, look. This book may have some solutions because so many things in that book, which is even investor category, people, H1 investors, other investors, or job creator. There's several things. We can dig up some solution for you.
Correct. And but again, I think that we need to just let our viewers know that it is, while it's true that this bill is being pushed on a fairly quick basis, they're looking to possibly get this marked up by, I think, August.
Yes.
But still, I don't know how fast it's going to be implemented.
I think by the end of the year, at least. This year in April, end of the year, by hope.
It's possible. It's possible. The Gang of Eight are ardent about making this happen as quickly as possible. They are really quickly putting forth this information and hoping to push it through. So,
thank you very much, David, and thank all of you watching the program. Please make sure to watch our program again next week on Saturday and Sunday. We'll bring to you more latest information on the bill, and we thank you very much and goodbye.